In this exercise, we'll identify the coefficient of each term of the polynomial 1/3 x to the fifth minus x plus 7. Let's just take a look at each of the terms. The first term is 1/3 x to the fifth, and the coefficient is the number that's multiplied times the variable part of the term. So the coefficient of 1/3 x to the fifth is 1/3. The next term is the opposite of x, and I can think of this as -1 times x. And again, the coefficient is the numerical part of the term, the part that's multiplied times the variable part. So for this term, the coefficient is -1. And the last term is 7, a constant term. And for a constant term, we just say that the coefficient is the term itself. So the coefficient of 7 is 7. I can think of 7 as 7 times x to the 0 power, and that's why we pick up the constant itself as the coefficient.